This machine needs to connect a compressor air supply. Here. Connect here. And here, compressor air at least 0.6 MPa. First, machine need a connect power supply. Here, connect power. Here is for supply power to vacuum pump and dust collector. Then switch on. Turn on. Now machine need back home. First, select home mode. Then click circle start. This direction is Z. This direction is X. Front and back is Y. Now you can check. There is an alarm. Spindle without knife. Here you can check. Current knife number is 21. We need to change to jog mode. And take a knife handle. Here is our button. Press this button and then push handle from here and then release battery. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. And if you want to move this, take the knife and press this button. Okay. Now we need to change the knife. We put this handle here. Now we need to prepare knife handle and material. First, jog mode. Y, move. We use clamp to clamp onto this one to clamp board. And then move front. No, to number is 1. This program we need to use 2 knife handle. This is 2-1, this is 2-2, so we need to change 2. We need to manually change. This is 2-1. This is 2-2. 2-2 we need to install back. From left to right. This one is 2-1. This is 2-2, 2-3, 2-4. This one is 2-2. We install at here. Like this. Okay. Then we need to measure to length. First, open F5. To length measurement function is on. Okay. And then monitor. Turn to MDI mode. MDI input. Clear. First, measure 2-2. Enter. Then input 2-1. Okay. Then from here, circle start. Okay, finish. After measure to length, turn off F5. To length measurement function is off. Now it's okay. Now we need to set workpiece origin. First, we click jog mode, move machine to front. F1 is spindle up and down. F2 is for auto release knife. Usually we don't use this. F3 is release, travel out release. F4 is for location pin. F5 is measure to length function open or close. Now we change to MPG mode. MPG is this one. Manual pulse generator. Here you can change X, Y, Z axis. Here you can change move speed. With the knife, with approach is a very short distance. We need to change the low speed. We at here we set X, Y, Z workpiece origin. I set Z on the board surface board surface or bottom is decided by your program setting. This program is setting on the surface. Okay. Here. Offset setting. F3. G54 coordinate. Workpiece code. Apply match code. Yes. And select Y. Okay. And Z we need a return. Select two type measure. Model 3. Two number you need must be same from here. Now it's 2-1. So we need to change it to 1. Move. Change it to 1. 1. Then enter. G54 coordinate. Okay, the delta set. Now it's okay. Now we need to import a program from USB. Open here. Return this interface. Program. File manager. File transfer. File import. Device select USB, enter. We select which program we need. next page. We need this one. Select. And this one, select. And this one, select. Then copy. And now you can check here. I have 3 program, 2D 18, 5mm, aluminum, and this program. Okay, finish. And now first we need to move the axis up a little. Change to jog mode. Z up. And then here we need to return back, program, file manager, 2D 18, change to auto mode, execute, and then open MPG simulation, this one. When you first run program, you need to open this MPG simulation for safe, because while you rotate this, the machine will move. If you don't rotate this, the machine don't move. If you make sure program no problem, you can turn it off. Now when turn on and the circle start, you can see no machine don't move. I rotate this, machine move. Okay, you can see. No, I don't rotate this MPG. The machine don't move. I rotate this one. Machine move. Now I think program no problem. So I can turn it off. The machine will auto move. Next program, we need to change knife handle. This program, we need this knife. This knife to number 821. Because we change knife handle, we need to measure to length again. First, F5. To length measure function is on. And MDI mode. MDI input. Clear. 2 1. Okay. Circle start. Here. After a measure to length, we need to turn off measure to length function. Okay. Finish. Now we need to set workpiece origin. Change jog mode to move machine. MPG mode. Offset setting. Workpiece code. Y. 2-time measure CSZ. Check model 3 to number G54. Okay. jog mode. Move it up. Then from here, program, select program. File manager, we use this one program. Then change to auto mode. Execute. Then circle start. 结束。Aluminum. We need to add cutting coolant. This is the cutting coolant. We need to change to this for aluminum knife. F5 open to measure function. MDI T1. We only need one knife. Okay. Circle start. Then turn off F5. Function off. Okay. Here has a handle to open or close there. Pull it hand. Now we open it. Here he need to spray on the knife. Okay. And then we set workpiece origin. MGG mode. 暂停一下，暂停。Here we set X and Y. Here, we need a set from material bottom, so we need to move. Okay, no, it's okay. Same. Two type of mirror. Okay. Now we open this one, cutter cooling. Then here, we select program, Film Manager. This one, Auto Mode, Execute, Cycle Start. 好，结束。 Here is machine interface. Usually we use program, offsetting, and monitor. Program you can from here. File manager to copy file or delete file. File transfer, it means you want to import the program from USB. Open here. Insert USB. File transfer. File import. Device select. Here is USB, and here you can select program to copy. Such as you want to copy this one. Select it, then copy. Now we have this program. We from here set workpiece origin. Usually we use G54. XY we use workpiece code. Apply match code. Y is same. But Z we usually use two-type measure. Model cable is 3. Two number you must be same from here. Usually it's 2-1. If there is 2-1, you change it to 1. If there is 2-3, you need to change it to 3. Keep G54. Then dial set is okay. And the monitor. And the parameter set. Such as this program suddenly stop. I want to continue work. This is the start block. Parameter set. This is line number. This number is stop line number. Such as this line number is 50. I want to from line number 50 continue work. I need to click this parameter set. Start block. Input 50. Enter. Press Enter key to start the line search. Okay. Now he move out there to continue work. Okay, we change the auto mode. Now we check. Okay. Here is the line number. If you want to stop work, first click this feed hold. Then reset. And here you can change speed. Working speed. Here we can keep 100% okay. This is for cutting speed. This is for only move, no cutting speed. This is decrease speed. This add cut speed. And here MPG simulation. We usually use these three with this one and this one we don't use. Auto mode is for run program. MDI for measure to length. MPG mode is for use this. Ins jog mode we don't use. Jog mode is for move machine. This is for fast move. You press this and move Y. It'll be move very fast. F1 is dust collector. F2 is auto release knife. Usually we don't use this one. F3 is for limit travel release. F4 is for this one, location pin. F5 is for to measure length. Function is on or off. Here are no useful. This one is for ruler. Here is the machine off, machine on, and here is the open vacuum pump. Here is the open dust collector.